Good morning, dear students. Today, let us discuss about duplication formula. The statement of duplication formula is this: prove that gamma m into gamma m plus r is equal to root pi divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma 2m. In order to prove this, we know two results by the relations between beta and gamma functions. Beta mn is equal to gamma m into gamma m divided by gamma m plus n. Of course, if I put m is equal to n here, then beta m gamma m is equal to gamma m into gamma m divided by m plus m is 2m is equal to gamma m whole square divided by gamma 2m. Call this result as result number 1. Next, also we know that beta mn is equal to integral from 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole to the power m minus 1 into dx by the definition. By replacing n by m here, beta m comma m is equal to integral from 0 to 1 of x to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus x whole to the power m minus 1. Put x is equal to sin square theta here, which implies that dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta dt, and 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. And now let us make use of these substitutions. We have made use of this substitution, so the limits also changes here. Let us check the limits. When x is equal to 0, lower limit, your new variable theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, upper limit, theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, your beta mn becomes integral from 0 to pi by 2 of sin to the power 2m minus 2 into cos to the power 2m minus 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta into d. Of course, here integral from 0 to pi by 2, write it as it is. Sin to the power 2m minus 2 into sin theta is sin to the power 2m minus 1 theta into cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta into d theta. Okay, and this 2, of course, you take it outside. And here, in order to express this in the form of 2 to the power m minus 1 into cos sin 2 theta. So what you do here is you multiply by 2 to the power m minus 1 and divide by this m, and this 2 into sin theta into cos theta whole to the power 2m minus 1 may be equal to sin 2 theta whole to the power, it is 2m minus 1, it is 2m minus 1 whole to the power 2m minus 1. This 2 you carry that as it is. This is sin 2 theta whole to the power 2m minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into d theta, you write it as it is. This 2 to the power 2m minus 1, a constant, can be written outside. Integral 2 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into integral from 0 to pi by 2 of sin to the power 2m minus 1 into 2 theta into d theta. Of course, 2 divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1 is 2 to the power 2m minus 2, 1 over 2 to the power 2m minus 2 into integral from 0, you make use of this substitution here. Put 2 theta is equal to d. On differentiation, it implies 2 into d theta is equal to dt, which implies d theta is equal to dt by 2. And of course, the limits of integration also changes here. When theta is equal to 0, your new variable t is equal to 0. When theta is equal to pi by 2, your new variable t is equal to pi. So, and also we have one more formula. It is integral from 0 to 2a of fx dx is equal to 2 into integral from 0 to a of fx dx. If f of 2a minus x is equal to fx, of course, your sine to the power sine of 2a minus x, I mean 2 into a, can be written in this fashion. So it is 2 into integral from 0 to pi by 2 may be written as integral from 0 to pi of sine to the power 2m minus 1t into dt by 2. This 1 over 2m minus 2 to the power 2m minus 2 to carry this as it is. This 1 by 2 a constant can be written outside. Integral from 0 to pi of sine to the power 2m minus 1 into dt. And here this integral from 0 to pi, by using this formula, it can be written as 2 into integral from 0 to pi by 2. 2 into integral from 0 to pi by 2 of sine to the power 2m minus 1t into cos to the power 0t into dt. This 2 cancels. 1 over 2 to the power 2m minus 2, write it as it is. This is of the type sine to the power p theta into cos to the power q theta d theta. By once again, our well-known formula it is p plus 1 divided by 2, gamma p plus 1. Gamma p means 2m minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into gamma q plus 1, 0 plus 1 by 2, whole divided by 2 into gamma m plus n, means m is 2m minus 1, n is 0 plus 2 divided by 2. This is equal to beta mn is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 2m minus 2 into this is 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma. Of course, this minus 1 cancels. 2m by 2 remains. This 2 cancels, and you are left with only gamma m. And here you are left with gamma half. Gamma half is root pi divided by gamma. This is minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1. 2m is plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now you call this as result number 2. Let us compare this result with result number 1. It is beta mn is equal to gamma m whole square divided by gamma 2m is equal to the right hand side. It is 1 over 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma m into root pi divided by gamma 2m plus 1 by 2. Of course, here gamma m and one of this gamma m cancels. Gamma m into gamma 2m plus 1 by 2, you take this to left hand side, is equal to root pi divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1. 2 to the power 2m minus 1. 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma 2m. You take this to right hand side. Now this can be written as gamma m into gamma 2m by 2 may be written as m plus 1 by 2 to the power 2m minus 1. That is our required duplication formula. Is it okay? Yes. Let us now have some of the corollaries to this duplication formula here. Okay. Continue on here. Prove that gamma 1 by 4 into gamma 3 by 4 is equal to root 2 into pi. Okay. By duplication formula we have this result. Gamma m into gamma m plus half is equal to root pi divided by 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma 2m. Put m is equal to 1 by 4 here. If I put m is equal to 1 by 4, the above result becomes gamma m means 1 by 4 into gamma m is 1 by 4 plus half, you write it as it is, into root pi, write it as it is, divided by 2 to the power 2 into m is 1 by 4. Of course, 2 ones are 2 2s are cancels. Into gamma 2 into m is 1 by 4. Wherever there is m, you put it is equal to 1 by 4. Here also 2 ones are 2 2s are cancelled. And what you are left with is gamma 1 by 4, write it as it is. Now 1 by 4 plus half is equal to gamma 3 by 4 is equal to root pi divided by 2 to the power half minus 1 is minus half into gamma half. Gamma half, of course, it is root pi. This 2 to the power minus half means if I take it to numerator, it is 2 to the power plus half into root pi into gamma half is also equal to root pi. This 2 to the power half can be written as root 2. Root pi into root pi may be written as pi. That is your required result, pi into root or root 2 into pi. Okay. Similarly, we can have one more example here. Prove that beta mn is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 2m into beta m plus half. In order to prove this result, we have this beta m comma m is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 2m minus 1 into gamma m into gamma half divided by gamma 2m plus 1 by 2. This is clearly by 2 of duplication formula. Yes, it is beta m comma m is 2 to the power 1 minus 2m. Here is your result. Color it to before that we have bias and later on we shall go to that. 2 to the power 1 minus 2m, if I take it to numerator into gamma m, write it as it is, gamma half you write it as it is, divided by gamma m plus half. M plus half, you are left with, I think, one more 2 here, m plus half. Yes, this is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 2m. This is of the type gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus m, which is nothing but beta m comma half by the relation between beta and gamma functions. This is what we wanted to prove. Before that, let me have this result. It is beta m comma m into beta m plus half comma m plus half is equal to pi m to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 4 minus 1. Yes, in order to prove this, take the left hand side. Beta m comma m into beta m plus half comma m plus half. And by this result, it is beta m comma m is gamma m whole square divided by gamma 2m. Into this, by this, it is gamma m plus half whole square divided by 2 times gamma 2 times m plus half. Because beta m comma m is gamma m whole square divided by gamma 2m. Using those two results, we can have this. And now you can include all of these within a bracket. This is gamma m into gamma m plus half whole square divided by gamma 2m into gamma 2m plus 1 it is. Because 2m plus 2 into half is 1. Yes, and this gamma m into gamma m plus half whole square is nothing but by our previous result. By this result, it is root pi into gamma 2m divided by 2 to the power m minus 1 whole square divided by this gamma 2m into gamma 2m plus 1 may be written as 2m into gamma 2m, because gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. So in the place of n we have 2m. It is 2m into gamma 2m. You write here this root pi whole square is pi. Gamma 2m whole square, you write it as it is. And this 2 to the power 2m minus 1 and this 2m may be written as 2 to the power 4m minus 2 into gamma 2m into 2m into gamma 2m. Here you can observe gamma 2m into gamma 2m is gamma 2m whole square, and this gamma 2m whole square cancels. You are left with, if I take this m to numerator, pi you write it as it is m to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 4m minus 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 4m minus 1. The required result. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes. Let's have some more results.